Hey guys, Aidette. Today we are doing a cutesy little intimates haul. So today we are showing Louvlette, which is SHEIN's new intimates brand, and it is so comfy. Like, I genuinely have been wearing this all day. So before we get started, because I know that you guys are going to love these intimates, I do have a code which is Q3Aidette15. I'll put it right here, and I'll also be putting all the specific pieces that I wore today. A lot of these pieces are things that you can wear every single day. Like, honestly, I wouldn't just wear them as intimates, I would wear them as bralettes, I would wear them under my clothes, I would wear them under sheer pieces. Most of these pieces are made out of cotton. Like, example for this top, it's just super stretchy and feels so good. So for this first piece, I do have like this olive ribbed short little crop, and I really like it. I can wear it for some athleisure, I can wear it to run errands, literally everything. So I really love the versatility of all these pieces, but this top has to be by far one of my favorites. I also do have a similar top in cream, and as for the bottoms, I do have these right here. These are just some black little panties, and in the back you guys can see the little cutout. It does have some cheekiness to it, but it really just covers like 80% of your butt. So these are really good for period panties. Whenever I'm on my period, I try to make sure to wear the comfiest things that I possibly can, because I cannot stand like being on my period wearing a thong. Like, I will only do it if I absolutely have to. But the other pieces are matched, but these pieces here are kind of like mix match, which is good about all of them. You can really just mix and match as you please. But these are just the little black bottoms, and I have like two other little mismatched bottoms, so let me show you guys those. And as for these bottoms, I am going to only show you guys this much just because they are a little bit revealing. These are my absolute favorite type of thongs to get, the very stringy ones, and in the back it does have like a triangle, so it's not completely like a G-string, which I need in a thong, and it just feels so good. And the color is like such a pretty like terracotta type color, so it's going to be flattering on all skin tones. This right here, so beautiful, I love them. And so you can also see the back cut. This is what it looks like. I love how you can adjust it to be all the way up to the top of your hips. I just think that it's very flattering these days to have them all the way up to give you like that nice little curve, you know what I mean? These are the last bottoms that I have to show you guys that are kind of like unmatched, but these right here are so pretty. These are just some basic black ones, and the way that these fit, I always go from like a small to medium. I would most of the time be a size medium, but a lot of the time on the waist it doesn't fit. So I like to get a small size. These fit perfectly. These are a size small, and it just has kind of like this mesh detailing right here on the sides, and it is just so freaking pretty. It fits so good. And as for the back, you guys can see that it is see-through in the very back. It has like a mesh panel, and all around it just has the same band. It's like really pretty. So like I said, all these are perfect for mixing and matching with all the other ones that I'm going to be showing you guys. If you guys can see, I have like my whole little setup. I have all 8 of my sets that I have to show you guys today, but so cute. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so here is the second set. The support on this top, guys, like, I do have bigger boobs, and this definitely gives me the support that I need. First of all, let's just show how beautiful this top is. Like, I'm obsessed with this. Like I told you guys, these are very versatile, so I would definitely wear this with like some jeans, a skirt. Like, really, you can just wear this anywhere. But this is, you know, a bralette, but I think that you can definitely do so much with these. Just like so dainty and pretty and sexy at the same time, so that's like a huge plus. And then I also paired this top with these little scrunchy shorts, and these are very breathable. They're super stretchy, so literally one size can fit several different body types, and that's what's so amazing about these. These are definitely a different tone of white, so this is definitely like a pure white, and this is kind of like an off-white. It's almost cream, not exactly though, but like I said, everything is meant to be mix and match. And honestly, if I'm going to be wearing this in the house, which I am as pajamas, I don't mind if the colors are a little bit off. Super cute. Like, you can even wear them low, you can wear them high, you can fold them down, and they also don't show very much butt in the back, so that's a really good plus. I really think that this is like my favorite top from everything that I got. Also, if you guys didn't notice, Armani's like over there chilling, sleeping on his little spooky blanket that he's obsessed with. You guys know I got a puppy recently, BB. She's also a Yorkie, but she's a party Yorkie, which is one of the Yorkies that have like the recessive gene. They come out white. So I have a white Yorkie, and then I have my tan Yorkie. They love each other, but they annoy each other at the same time. But BB is currently in my mom's house, so he's getting spoiled, and he just like, honestly, he loves it. He loves having all the attention on him. This color, guys, I know that a bunch of you guys are gonna be obsessed with this color, but this is such a not me almost falling. I have this in 2 colors. I also have this like in like a dusty peach, which I'll show you guys afterwards, but this one is so comfy. Like, I can't express to you guys how comfy everything is. Just think like super dreamy cloudiness on a chilly fall rainy day. Isn't that so nice? The good thing about me having 8 different pairs that I'm showing you guys today, I can literally wear one every single day of the week. I'm way too excited. Eyelet type design, and then also the shorts are the same thing. I'm a 5'1.5" for reference, so they're not too short on me. Also, I do have this like pretty high-waisted. These are pretty much like the same thing as the white shorts that I had on before this. You can literally choose from so many different colors. This set here really has me smiling. So this is basically like the same top, but the shorts, I do have to say they are different. So the other 2 were the same, but these are similar. They do have like the same-ish print, but these are kind of like scalloped here, if you guys can see that. So it really just gives you a little bit of extra sexiness and flair, which I really like. I think this is like really, really pretty. This is what she looks like from the front, and then this is from the side. It just adds a lot more flair, and it's just a lot more flavorful, you know. This one does show a little bit more booty, so this one is a little bit more cheeky, but it's nothing too revealing. Either way, these are intimates. These are meant to wear for your intimate times, for PJ time, nighttime, whatever. Really just wear these as you please. I think that these are super cute, like even to wear out. But the color is super pretty. It makes you look tan. These are just so comfy. The whole point of Luvlette is feeling super comfy and yummy at the same time. Okay, earlier I said that the other ones were my favorite, but I think this one's my favorite. This bralette, this whole set, I'm like crying. So this is the top, and look how it just flatters the girls. This is real good. I love the laciness. I love the V-neck. It's almost like a halter type top, but this is what it looks like in the back. It's so pretty. Like, I already know that this will look absolutely amazing on everyone. Okay, abs poking through. Little side note, I've been going to the gym 5 times a week. And I have like a whole workout routine, so if you guys do want the workout routine, let me know, because I have like a very set workout routine. I'm working with a trainer that I used to work with like years back, but now I'm like getting real serious with it, and I'm so excited because you guys have been asking for a workout routine since I freaking started YouTube, but now I can finally give you guys like my set routine because I do it every single day. I'm on week 2 and I feel so out of breath, guys. When I get excited about something, I like cannot stop talking, and then I lose my breath, and I feel like that's the Gemini oozing out of me. I'm like a Gemini moon. So these bottoms, like, I just feel like I should be in one of those like undies commercials, like the very like cozy ones, like reading a book with my glasses. So cute. This is so cute. Like, these undies are really unmatched, and I love how they cover the booty. These are similar to the very first black ones that I showed you guys in the beginning, but this is what it looks like in the back, and it covers a lot. You guys will see these on Instagram. Do not be shocked when you see it, because I'm gonna be wearing this every single day that I get the chance. This set, by far, chef's kiss. I love her. Okay, now that I'm done obsessing with my last set, this one here is a gray set. This one is completely covered up. For those of you girls that want to be extra comfy and just want to be covered up and just feel cute at the same time. So this is just a great little top with a little tie, and then the sides are kind of like scalloped here, and the same thing around the back. And these also go high waisted for the shorts. Hello, money. You wanted to join us? But then here we do have the lace, so it's still very cutesy, and then the back also does cover like your full butt. So I told you guys early in the beginning of the video that I do have another one of the olive tops, but in cream. So this is the top here. This is like an off-white cream, whatever you guys really want to call it, but it is so pretty. Like, these are literally going to be my go-to. I can wear these to sleep, I can wear them out. I said this a billion times, but I love myself a very versatile piece that I can wear for any occasion, so I love this here. And for the bottoms, I can't show you guys too much, but I do have like these very stringy, lacy thong moment. So this is kind of like the laciness of it, but that's really all I can show you guys. And here's a little look of how lacy they are as well, and how high they can go, but very pretty. These are both like an off-white color, so these do match, or like a cream, whatever you guys want to call it. Especially this with like some jeans on and having like the little strands poking out. And now to end our video, guys, this is the last piece here. This one is also so cute. I'm also wearing socks right now, which it matches. Obviously, you guys can tell pink is my favorite color, light pink to be exact, and everything in my room is pretty much pink. So this, I'm a huge fan. This one's also very cute. So this one is like tying up there with like my faves. So I really liked the lacy one. I really liked this pink one. Also the other white lacy bralette. So cute. So this is like a longer bralette, and it's very, very soft. I'm sorry I keep saying that, but so soft. And then these are the bottoms. These are the same as the black and the white ones that I showed you guys earlier with like the covered up booty, but these are perfect. Like this set right here is just like the definition of comfort. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. Do not forget to use my code Q3Aidette15 for some money off, and these pieces are just to die for. Like, you guys need to get these. These are very inexpensive, good quality, and they are just endlessly super comfortable. There's really nothing bad I can say about them. Like, none of these were really sheer. I just feel like they were overall very perfect. So I'm going to be posting these on my Instagram as well, so if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll be linking my Instagram post down below so you guys can show it some love. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that, because I do post some sneak peeks on some of my videos. I keep you guys all up with my life and my fashion. I will talk to you guys very, very soon.